Guess what? We have snow here today, and I want to show how it looks like outside. Can you see? Yeah, this is the snow we got, and then it's cold. It's cold, so I just want to show you how it looks like. So welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another backdrop tutorial. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you finish watching the video. Yeah, it's cold. Let me run inside. Thank you for watching. So I just realized that my fabric, this red fabric, it doesn't have a road pocket, so I'm trying to ask my husband to sew it for me. Yeah, because the design I want to make today, I need the road pocket, so I will use a second crossbar. Will be red, white, and then the green. So when you don't know how to sew, you ask your husband. So the size should be 2 inches or more. Then what you call spice? Oh, no how much does it before? Oh, okay. También lo pongo. Kamatan. Yeah, almost 2 inches. Yeah. I will be using the sheer. You see how it is soft than satin. Yeah, I really don't like satin, but I don't have choice. This is the color I have on the game, so I'll be mixing with red and white. So we're gonna see how it will look. So this is what he did. is what we get. Let me know if you like it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and also don't keep it for yourself. You can share with your even design friends, even they can practice also. Yeah, we give for free and we have to give for free too. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all people who support my channel.